Welcome to the new Doofinder administration panel. We have completely redesigned our menus so that you have all the functionalities at hand and you can enjoy a better user experience on our platform. In this video, we will quickly tell you how the options in this menu are organized and what you can do in each of them. First of all, we will begin by familiarizing ourselves with the structure. In the page header, you can select the search engine you want to configure, access your account data, consult our support section, or directly access your profile. In the side menu on the left, you can access the detailed settings. Let's start with those corresponding to the search engine. In our stats menu, you can check the most relevant statistics related to the searches carried out by your clients. Additionally, it allows you to identify the sales opportunities that you are missing. Through the playground, you can simulate your customer's search behavior and evaluate your search engine results. You can also check the effect of business rule settings. Through the boosting menu, you can promote products in a simple way to make them more relevant to the searches made by your customers, or create complex rules based on the characteristics of your products. The custom results section allows you to define which products should appear when your customers perform specific searches, and also ensure that some products will never appear in searches results according to your settings. Under this section, you can promote campaigns or products of your e-commerce by showing banners in the search results, in a general way or from searches. Through redirections, you can define search terms that take your customers to other pages on your website. The synonym menu allows you to identify words with the same concept and expand the search engine knowledge base. You can index your e-commerce product catalog through the indices, providing a data feed such as Google Shopping or connecting through our API. In the search layer menu, you can get the script necessary for Doofinder to work on your website and add CSS rules to modify the layers designed. Also, with Doofinder, you can customize the displayed page when there are no results. The setting option allows you to configure all the general parameters on the application, including those related to security, sorting option, and search filters. Finally, on this screen you can consult our documentation and, if you need it, request help from support. And in the account section, you have access to all the information of your subscription, your contracted plan, and current consumption, as well as your billing information, means of payments, and invoices. The user menu allows you to manage your profile, change the access account, or modify the notifications Doofinder will send you. You can also add other members with different roles and permission to your team. Remember that if you want to know more about Doofinder feature and functionalities, you can access the documentation available on our website. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for trusting Doofinder.